Welcome to Math for Trades, Volume 2. I'm Mark Overgaard. I'm one of the co-authors. And if you watched or took a look at the first volume of this, you're probably familiar with the structure of the book itself. Each chapter in the first volume was basically like a step, and this volume has 4 more chapters, which basically is 4 more steps. Math is like a new language. We're going to have some new words for you. We're going to have vocabulary, we're going to have new sentences, we're going to have new paragraphs, and all that kind of stuff. All right, we're going to go up and meet Chad. This is his place. And he's going to tell us a little bit more about how the book is laid out and how you guys can best use the book for yourselves. Okay, so Chad's not exactly a morning person. Let's see if he's up. This actually might take a while. Hold on. Hey, how are you?
Good, you?
Good. Surprised you're awake.
I'm not a morning person, so you woke me up.
Oh, fair enough.
All right. What are you up to?
I just wanted to come by, talk about the book.
Oh, shoot. That was today, eh?
That was today.
Whoops. All right, well, come on in. How are things going?
Good. How you doing?
I can't complain. Keeping busy. The kids got me on the go.
Nice. There's some nice things you got going on here.
Yeah, thanks. We like to live large here at Flynn West.
I just wanted to come by and talk to you a little bit about Math for Trades Volume 2. We've written the first one together. Now we've written the Volume 2 together. There's some new stuff in there, and I wanted your opinion, or I wanted you to tell the people that are using this book some of the attributes of the book and some of, say, how they can use it to the best of their ability.
It's a really good question because you and I intentionally designed this book so that you could attack it from different angles. You can attack the book and read the book from beginning to end. And if math isn't your strong suit and you want to have concepts kind of build on each other, you can go through each chapter, you can do all the sample problems, and then work your way through it. If you understand certain parts, and this is one of the brilliant parts that I think you came up with this when you wrote it, is we made it very modular. So what a person can do is they can come in and they can just grab the part on fractions out. And it doesn't mean that you have to read the part after and the part before. You can just focus on the fractions or volume or whatever you want to do along the way here. We also designed it so that when you're in the chapter itself, you don't actually have to even read the whole chapter. So you can, say you like to read text, it's all there for you. You can go ahead and read it. But say you're not a reader, and a lot of us aren't, well, we provided an audio version so you can listen along to the lesson and then go through and do the chapters. If all you want to do is do some practice, then you can go to the sample problems in the text itself, work it through, and if you want to see how it's done, there's a little video at the end of the sample problem that shows you how to do that. After you've gone through the chapter, at the end of every single chapter, we provided a little practice test for you. So it's all done online. You can do it on your phone. You can just do the practice test and go, go, go. And then at the end of the book, there's a big overall practice test that you can do and go through it. Now don't worry, these practice tests are not going to send marks off to your boss or your mom or your dad or anything like that. So I would suggest, however you want to attack it, there's just so many different angles that you could try it from.
Awesome. Now there's one more thing we added in this volume that we didn't have in the other one. We have some live action videos that we put together. Tell me a little bit about those and what we were doing there.
Well, we called those the so what principles. Because so often when we're teaching this math, and you and I both actually teach trades math in face-to-face classes, so often we hear students say, so what? And what we thought we'd do is build these videos to show that this math that you're learning actually has context to the actual trades. So every single unit will have a so what principle video in it. And it's just you and I showing how this math does apply to trades, not just your trade, my trade, but all trades in general. And so the so what principles, I think they're one of the best parts of the book.
Excellent. What I want everybody to understand is that this book isn't written for one type of learner. This book is written for many learners. And there's many different things that Chad and I have done here together to help you guys understand math the best possible way we can do it. We hope you enjoy it, we hope you like it, and we hope you come back and use it again and again.